This is Jamie Boyman in Longview. I am at Komatsu, where there's a lot of craziness going on here. It's a robotics competition. And here's some Pine Tree High School students that built a robot, actually. And now, you know, we got some video. I shot some video here a minute ago of, I guess, a little competition you guys were going through. First of all, though, who are you?
My name is Jonathan. I'm at Pine Tree High School, Jonathan Moe.
All right, and you are?
Main Stewart, I'm a sophomore.
Okay, and you are?
I'm Devondre Gray, I'm a sophomore.
All right, and?
Kipton Dobbs, I'm a sophomore.
And you guys are a team. Do you have a team name?
Yes, we're the mechanics. Oh, right here.
Oh, yeah. I see that. You got the shirts and everything.
Yes, sir.
So, and I understand you are the programmer.
Yeah, I'm a programmer.
I have no idea what that is. I mean, it's awesome. What do you have to do to program it, first of all?
Well, you have an objective at the very beginning of the match, and it's 15 seconds, and it's where you have to score as many blocks as possible, but programming the robot. So there's no driver control. It's fully autonomous. And
So the robot has to figure it out. Oh, wow. Okay.
so it takes a little bit of time to get used to, especially when you try different drivetrains, like 3-motor and 2-motor and 4-motor. It's just different programming, and we dealt with a lot of problems this year on.
Okay,
So,
yeah.
yeah.
I heard you guys had to build it 4 times.
Oh, yes, sir. So our robot, it started from we looked at a whole bunch of ideas. We built one robot. You know, it was working good, and then when we made minor modifications to it, it would just start bending the pieces out. And then we go to a competition. It would work good in the first few rounds, and then after that, it would just give up, and it would stop working, and it would just mess up. So then Dre, right here, which is our builder, he low-key locks in. When it's time, when he gets serious, he locks in. And right now, we built an awesome robot. We took it to state, and I mean, we did pretty good at state. There was just a lot of teams that have like a higher level than us. I mean, we're only sophomores. This is only our second year doing this. So it's kind of, you know, it's on the tougher end. But, I mean, we got through it. And next year's definitely going to be better for us.
Wow, cool. So this thing is, you're saying it's so powerful it hurts itself?
Yeah. I mean, you can say that.
So what happens?
It's just like every time, because, you know, on our game board, they can hit us, it's kind of like battle bots, for instance, but you cannot pin each other. It's an illegal.
Pin them in a corner.
Yeah, you can't pin them in a corner. You can get disqualified. So really, when robots ram us, our structure was not built really strong, but now it kind of is because we have a whole bunch of modifications. But when they would hit us, we would just bend, and it would just destroy our robot completely. The chains will pop. Pieces will get bent, like I was saying, and you can't really bend them in. Once they're bent, you can't kind of fix it. You have to just replace the whole new part.
Yeah, okay.
So,
that makes
it's kinda
sense, because
hard.
if it gets bent, you're not going to be able to bend it back.
Bend it back. So instead of having to take apart the whole robot and fix it back.
So what's the name of the robot?
I don't even know if we came up with
We
it.
never came up with a name.
Y'all just gave us an idea.
New name, Benji.
Benji?
Yeah, Benji.
How about Mr. Roboto?
Wait, I thought our robot was named the Overdrive. I thought it was
Oh yeah, it's called the Overdrive.
That's a great name. That is a great name. Okay, well, you know, I kind of watched it, the melee, a little bit ago, and it was some craziness. So show me how this thing works.
All right, hold on, let me get turned on.
It's already has a battery in.
Wait, grab some balls right there. Here.
Overdrive.
He's our driver right here. And then the outtakes. So it intakes right there and the outtakes right there. And then you have this, which
Has no air.
But this goes up so we can scoop out the other team's balls, or we can push ours into the control bone.
Oh, wow, okay. So the whole point is to pick up balls and put them in where they're supposed to go.
And these little tubes along the board, along those little clear tubes, and you just score them in there. And in the white lines, between the white lines, it's a control bonus. If our color team, it's red or blue, and whatever our team color is at that round,
That's the color blocks.
Yeah, that's the colors, the blocks that we want to put into the little tubes around the board.
Okay, I see. All right. So how does the robot know to go to the right place?
Literally
Just our driving, and then also in the first rounds, like you were saying, the first 15 seconds is programming, which it will literally start the match. So really, we can just do it off of our computer through a blocks code, and it can literally just drive up wherever we want it. Basically, we can just put in the code and drive our robot wherever we want on the board, pick things up, push them back. It doesn't matter. I mean, we can do whatever we want in the program.
Okay, so there is some driving involved.
There is driving. So the minute 30 is driving, and the last 15 seconds is programming. Or the first 15 seconds programming, the last minute 30.
It's 140, is it not? Wait, yeah,
Or 145, sorry, is driving.
2 minutes total out of the entire match.
You what?
There's 2 minutes total of the entire match. 15 is programming, the rest is driver.
Oh, I got you. Okay. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, maybe show me this one more time. That's pretty amazing.
All right,
Wow.
and then we have this. This will help us with our control to get control bonus. Where I was telling y'all between the white lines, you just drive back and it will push all the blocks into that, in between the white lines.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So, how'd you do?
I mean, we're doing pretty good. I think we're in second place right now, or first place. I'm not really sure. They haven't finished tallying up the points.
And then you go through finals, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. How many finals?
I think it's the best 2 out of 3.
Okay. All right. So was that a competition or was that a dry run?
That was just like a practice run.
Okay. All right. And in fact, we can take a look at it here while we're talking. So how? And it's pretty amazing. Rather than showing the whole thing, I split it up. So let's take a look while we talk a little bit more. And so, how did you get into this?
Really, I started when I was in 4th grade with. He's here right now. Mr. Horn back there. We started in his class just doing like a little Lego robot as what they're doing. There's one right here. Starting with this robot right here, and now we're up to these big things. So we started with these, and then it finally moved up to one of the plastic robots, this is EV3, that is Vex IQ, and then now we're on Vex V5.
So this one here, it's got a. I watched a competition of that. What exactly does it have to do?
Okay, so this one is this has no driving allowed. It's literally just programming.
For like a minute.
Yeah, just a minute. So basically, it's all just like on a computer block code.
Gotcha. Okay. And then this other one over here with the cup-looking things. what happens? What happens with that?
So I'm not really sure because that's a younger class than me, but I know they have to stack certain colors on each one of them and then push them to the middle to score points basically. So that game is just basically stacking the cups.
Yeah.
So they built robots with the mechanisms to stack cups on top of each other.
Wow. So is this something you're going to use, after you graduate?
Yes, sir. I mean, this like right here, like programming can get you into like all kinds of engineering, like mechanical. There's just like a whole bunch of mechanical, electrical.
Mechanical, yeah. Aerospace is in there.
Aerospace, yeah. Like building like airplanes. Like it's just a lot of like technology, really. Like Tesla, Tesla, the cars and stuff, that all involves in robotics. You know how it can drive by itself? It's through basically a program that's like a forever loop, basically. That's the easiest way to sum it up.
Yeah, does a Tesla pick up balls and put them in tubes?
No, it doesn't do that though. Hey, it drives on the road and doesn't pass red lights and not wreck into cars.
And that's much like what you guys are trying to accomplish here.
Yes, sir. It's just, just to build up our programming skills. It's like a good mindset. It's a thing we can do. And literally this right here can get us a scholarship into college. And we already talked to a whole bunch of colleges like A&M, UT Tyler, Baylor. We even went to what's it called? Oh,
Laterno.
we went to Laterno too. We also went to Gap, the Old Navy warehouse, and we got to explore like all of their like conveyor belts because it's all like ran off of a program.
Right.
So,
So the top 4 teams
it's kind of quiet, but you know.
were Christian Heritage 1 with 190 points, Pine Tree 3 with 163 points, Pine Tree 4 with 145 points, and Big Sandy 4 with 111 points. Big Sandy actually tied with another Big Sandy school, but the win-loss, we determined who was going to be in 4th place. To make it fair, it's going to be 1 and 4 versus 2 and 3. That way nobody gets annihilated. And we're going to run best 3 matches, possibly best 2 out of 3. So if one team wins the first 2 matches, there's no point doing the third one. So we're running up to 3 matches, best 2 out of 3. Once lunch is over, I think the only one left besides B5 and finals is IQ, and you're going to pick up where you left off. I think you have 7 more to go. Does anybody have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Comments, concerns, caustic remarks?
So it
All right,
looks like.
So what team number are you?
We're PT4.
Wait, yeah, we're PT4. So
PT4.
so it looks like we're getting paired up with one of our sister teams. They're coming right here.
What place are you guys in at this point?
We're in third.
Okay.
So surprisingly, we thought we were in first or second, but I guess because we had that one loss in the beginning, you know, there was a little cheating involved, in my opinion. But there was.
Oh,
but
no, no finger pointing here. No finger
But as y'all was seeing the video of the clip, I don't know if you showed that of the match that our practice run that we did. This was the team that we went with, and we did low-key pretty good.
Well, that's cool. All right. Well, I know you guys are hungry, and you got to get in line. So thanks a lot for speaking with you. Appreciate you, man. Good luck to you. Good luck. Good luck, whoever you are. Good luck. And whoever you are. Good luck. And good luck, sir. And hey, man, happy programming. All right. We'll have more later on KLTV7 News and KLTV.com. And, you know, try to get you an update on this whole situation.